Mix extra virgin olive oil with lemon juice and take them on an empty stomach, and you won't ignore this recipe for your whole life. Dear viewers, we talked in a previous video about the benefits of mixing olive oil and lemon juice with honey, and during it we talked about the importance of the presence of honey in preserving this mixture for a long time from any interaction that may occur between lemon juice and olive oil, which could lead to spoilage. However, many viewers wanted to try this recipe without adding honey due to the spread of adulterated honey and the difficulty in obtaining the original honey. So in this video, we will talk about the benefits of mixing olive oil with lemon juice only without adding honey, and how to use this recipe in the right way to get its amazing benefits. Before we start, if you have taken olive oil with lemon, press like in order to let us know the number of people interested in these types of videos. And if you are a new follower, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Welcome back. Have you ever wondered what happens inside your body when you mix olive oil with lemon juice? Extra virgin olive oil is an extremely healthy plant-based oil packed with beneficial compounds. Lemon juice, on the other hand, is known as one of the most acidic fruits and is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, polyphenols, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. So when you combine olive oil and lemon juice, a number of surprising benefits can occur inside your body. In this video, we'll explain both these benefits and the most effective way to use this simple mixture. First of all, this mixture can help support the management of inflammatory conditions. Olive oil contains powerful polyphenols, while lemon juice is very rich in vitamin C. When you combine the two, you get a high amount of bioactive antioxidants. This makes the mixture a valuable supportive option for people dealing with inflammatory disorders, such as rheumatoid arthritis or multiple sclerosis. Second, it may help improve memory. It can boost concentration, and thanks to the high levels of strong antioxidants in this mixture, it may also offer a protective effect against Alzheimer's disease. By fighting off harmful free radicals, which contribute to signs of aging, it helps keep your cells healthier. Free radicals are unstable molecules that continuously try to steal an electron from healthy cells in the body. When a cell loses an electron, it becomes unstable, and this process is known as cell oxidation. Cell oxidation creates the groundwork for many health problems. This is exactly where the high antioxidant content of this mixture becomes important. These antioxidants can neutralize free radicals by donating an electron without becoming unstable themselves. This process helps stabilize free radicals and significantly reduces the damage they can cause to your cells. Additionally, when lemon and olive oil are consumed together, they provide a rich source of potassium and magnesium, which has a highly positive effect on the brain and nervous system. This combination may help alleviate depression and tension, while also supporting better focus and concentration. Third, this mixture strongly supports skin and hair health. Lemon juice stimulates collagen production, which helps reduce dark circles under the eyes. It contributes to the improvement of skin issues such as acne, pimples, and blackheads. Moreover, it enhances skin elasticity, slows down wrinkle formation, and gives the skin a more vibrant, refreshed appearance. For hair, it is also very beneficial. The potassium citrate in lemon helps reduce dandruff, while olive oil moisturizes the scalp, giving hair strength and shine. Fourth, this mixture promotes blood circulation and supports better cardiovascular function. Olive oil is rich in oleic acid, polyphenols, and monounsaturated fatty acids, which help lower bad cholesterol levels. This can reduce the risk of stroke and balance several key risk factors for heart disease. Lemon contains vitamin B2, riboflavin, which is essential for the production of red blood cells and antibodies. In addition, its high vitamin C content, along with citric acid, magnesium, calcium, pectin, and bioflavonoids, strengthens the immune system, helping the body fight certain microbes and viruses, and provides support against infections like colds and the flu. Fifth, using olive oil and lemon juice together can help soothe and protect the stomach lining. This mixture can help improve the efficiency of the kidneys and gallbladder, while also providing natural support for urinary tract infections and constipation. Even though it may seem acidic, once metabolized in the body, it produces alkaline byproducts. These byproducts contribute to detoxification and help the body eliminate endotoxins more easily. Sixth, it strengthens liver function and helps maintain a healthier liver. This mixture can protect the liver from infection by neutralizing the virus responsible for hepatitis A and limiting its spread to healthy cells. Seventh, the high vitamin C content in lemon, also known as ascorbic acid, plays a crucial role in maintaining the integrity of blood vessels, bones, and teeth. A deficiency in this vitamin can lead to several health issues, the most significant of which is scurvy. Scurvy weakens capillaries, making a person more prone to bruising and injury. It can also cause mouth sores and bleeding gums. Additionally, lemon helps remove uric acid from the joints, which is one of the main triggers of arthritis. Eighth, this mixture may support weight management because the oleic acid in olive oil increases the production of peptide hormones that regulate appetite. These hormones enhance the feeling of fullness, reducing the need to eat as much. Ninth, because lemon contains high amounts of potassium citrate, it may help break down kidney stones. When combined with olive oil, any remaining small stone fragments can move more easily from the kidneys to the bladder, making it easier for the body to expel them through urine. 10th, this mixture can boost your body's energy. If you have a busy day ahead or need more energy to handle different tasks, this combination can be very beneficial. It acts as a powerful tonic for the body, helping to reduce fatigue and tiredness while providing lasting vitality throughout the day. Numerous studies have confirmed that a diet rich in lemon and olive oil helps maintain the structure of blood vessels and supports healthy circulation throughout the body. The key to getting these amazing benefits is paying attention to the quality of the ingredients, especially the olive oil. That's why extra virgin olive oil with the highest nutritional value should be used. Unfortunately, many people are unaware of how to identify true extra virgin olive oil or distinguish it from other oils. Preparation and usage. When preparing this mixture, use extra virgin olive oil that is packaged in an opaque bottle. The reason the bottle should block light is that exposure to sunlight can trigger a process called photooxidation, which reduces the nutritional value of the oil. The lemons should also be fresh and sourced from a reliable supplier. To prepare it, simply mix 1 teaspoon of olive oil with 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Drink it in the morning on an empty stomach, about half an hour before breakfast. Within a few days, you may start feeling lighter, more energetic, and generally better. This mixture should be consumed immediately after preparation. If left to sit for a long time, chemical reactions can occur between the components, which may reduce its nutritional value. Dear viewers, that's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and stay healthy.